Good evening. This is Marides Gonzalez, and I'll be presenting the Customer Applications Branch Profit and Loss Reporting Automation Project, which complies to the Enterprise Resource Planning Initiative within Los Angeles County. The business process change was brought about by several issues within the organization, such as delayed managerial reporting. Managers There is a lag of 1 month in receiving the reports. Also, there are some issues with inaccurate data and the workflow needs improvement. The CAB profit and loss reporting is a process by which CAB manager performs planning, analysis, and makes decisions based on manually prepared reports which display the income and cost accounts of CAB labor. Looking at it on a business perspective, this is sort of the checking account for the customer applications branch. Why is it important? Although Los Angeles County, being a government entity, is aiming for zero profitability, the organization still needs to measure its income and expense status. Also, the CAB reporting automation is used for human resource allocation because employee labor hours are calculated based on the actual costs. And it's also used for managerial reporting. Any shortcomings in analysis and planning are often the root cause of organizational failure. What are the requirements for this automation project? First, the preparation and delivery should be easy. Currently, it's prepared in Excel and presented via hard copies to managers, but they want it to be online, that they just point and click, see the reports online, and print the reports. It should be flexible, and there should be easy navigation. What are the major issues of this automation project? First, there is online user guide that managers could just click via a link on the page. Also, on hovering over the reports, there is a bubble help that will assist them in identifying or understanding a brief background of what the reports are. There is a selection criteria page also, which includes the organizational selection, period selection, and the unit of measure selection, whether it's cost or labor hours. In addition, there is also an organizational drill down such that managers could identify or view the labor hours and cost from higher level to the lower detail level. Before, there were about 49 reports that managers have to go through in looking at those labor and cost hours and amounts. Now, they're only looking at 5 reports online. Before, there was more than a week lag in in viewing the reports, and it takes them exactly this 1 week also to view the reports. Now, after a few hours, after the ETL process is done, they could already view the data. What's the future phase of this project? People are looking for a dashboard, and this is a sample on your screen on what the original design is, mostly pie charts. There's also a trend analysis such that they could compare prior months period analysis with current or future months analysis. Also, there is ad hoc query feature that they could select and display whatever fields the managers prefer to see. What is the bottom line? From an Excel to an online report, they are saving time and effort. Forward looking, experts anticipate that enterprise resource planning's future focus will be on managing customer and employee relationships, improving planning and decision making, and linking operations to the internet.